this is Dora. Dora has neurons, Dora has muscle cells, Dora has sex cells, Dora has white blood cells. She might have blood, so she also has red blood cells. Dora has skin, so she has epithelial cells. All of these cells need cell cycle and undergo cell cycle for changes and growing. So, cell cycle. Cell cycle consists of four phases. Number one, G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, and M phase. G1, if there is any problem in G1 phase, for example, the DNA is mutated, the proteins are not formed correctly, the cell cycle enters into the G0 phase where it might stay permanently or temporarily. Okay. Interphase has G1 phase, which lasts about 8 to 10 hours. In G1 phase or gap 1 phase, this is the longest phase. Proteins are formed, mainly histone proteins. ATP is formed because a lot of energy is needed for organelles production, or organelles are increased in number. Cells grow in size. S phase, there also in 9 hours. DNA is synthesized, replication of centriole occurs, and then there is G2 phase, which lasts about 2 to 4 hours. Tubulin and microtubule proteins are formed. For example, cytoskeleton is formed. That's why they will help in further cell division in mitosis. Checks if DNA is synthesized correctly. So, in M phase, M means mitosis, and in mitosis, cell divides into two daughter cells. For example, this is G1 phase, cell organelles and proteins are formed. In S phase, DNA is synthesized. In G2 phase, the cell is finally ready for its replication in two daughter cells, that in mitosis. In cell cycle, there are checkpoints, G1S checkpoint and G2M checkpoint. These checkpoints regulate either the replication, the process of protein formation, and every other thing is fine. If there is any problem, these checkpoints will eliminate the problem, or either the cell will not enter into the mitosis phase. If there is a problem with GS1, G1S checkpoint phase and the cell do not undergo G0 phase and it is a mutated cell, or it has a DNA with problem in it, then it is as a cancer cell. So the cells with damaged DNA or mutation, if it escapes G0 phase, it becomes cancer cell. For example, like this. There are normal cells that enter G0 phase and stay there permanently for their lifetime. These are neuron cells in our brain and central nervous system, in spines, in spinal nerves and cranial nerves, and there are cardiac cells in our heart. Okay, so cell proliferation is just a fancy term saying the cells are increasing in number by mitosis. For example, cells are increasing in number. So we will call it as cell proliferation. Cell proliferation is of three types: static, stable, and labile. Static proliferation, in which cells enter G0 phase permanently and does not divide for their entire life. As I mentioned earlier, these are neurons and cardiac cells of heart. Stable cells enter G0 temporarily and exit G0 if needed. For example, if a cell is injured or there is a trauma injury, the cell will exit G0 phase and complete its cell cycle to injury to reduce the injury. For example, the hepatocytes of liver, the kidneys, the endothelial cells of blood vessels. For example, if there is a rupture in blood vessel, the cell will exit G0 phase and complete it, the cell cycle. There are osteoblasts in the bone cells. There are labile cells that divide rapidly. For example, epithelial cells of the skin and GI tract, the RBCs, red blood cells, and the white blood cells of WBCs.